So after getting the boat cut up to a decent sized pieces, claw truck picking up everything else, man, was an ease. Got them done. I am gonna tell you, man, cutting these boats up, man, can be a pain. Messy job. But somebody gotta do it.
Call them and get a free estimate. Go, call them and get a free estimate.
What's up, y'all? It's Anthony with Junk Assassin, Junk Removal Service. You need to get your junk off. Call me. Yeah. Get them out for you. Claw truck on the site.
Call them and get a free estimate. Go.
All clean. Junk Assassin. Another assassination. Mission accomplished. This the two big beasts, man. I had to get cut up into small pieces and get them out of there. That's the gentleman that did it right there. Yup, that guy right there. All the boats. You seen them? No, you don't.
Call them and get a free estimate. Go, call them and get a free estimate. Your hauling service, foreclose or clean out. Yeah, word. At 863-259-4338. Again at 863-259-4338. Hey, www.junkassassin.com. www.junkassassin.com. Yes. For your local junk removal service. Come on, man. Say you got junk, huh? Who you gon' call? Say you got junk, huh? Who you gon' call? You got junk, huh? Who you gon' call? A junk assassin will get rid of it all. So you got junk, huh? Who you gon' call? Say you got junk, huh? Who you gon' call? Say you got junk, huh? Who you gon' call? A junk assassin will get rid of it all.